Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on the Chipotle website. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in chipotle.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Chipotle website. Now, once you end up in the home page, you will find the create an account button as well as the sign in/join button. You can click on either one of these and you will now end up within the sign up page. Go ahead and type in your first and your last name followed by your email address followed by your desired password. Then simply enter your phone number and then choose your country. Then select whether you want to receive text offers and promotions, and then finally enter your date of birth if you want to, as this is optional. Then simply click on the create an account button and now you will receive a verification email within your email address, which you will need to open and click on the link within. Once you click on this, your link will be verified. Alternatively, you might also receive a verification code on your mobile phone, which code you will need to enter in the next screen. After entering this code and verifying your account, you will be signed up to your own account on the Chipotle website. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on the Chipotle website. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.